Yo, what's up? So today the plan is we're gonna ship a pair of jeans and a t-shirt and another pair of jeans to one of my friends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a scale, and I just got this off Amazon. We're gonna use a scale to weigh the jeans properly. We're going to put it in some poly mailers and then ship it off in these bags. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show off the jeans I'll be giving. Let's use these ones. And the shirt I'm giving is this one. I just made these recently. And I'm also just going to throw in another pair of jeans. Because why not? So, yeah, I'm going to do these three for him. We're gonna first weigh it. So what we do is just plug this in. It's pretty easy. And then it's going to come on. And then you just sit it on the ground. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have both of these as one pair because I already set it up in the Shopify. So I'm going to put the two jeans as like one pair. You're going to see what that comes out to. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these numbers into the Shopify so that when I ship it, it's going to print the label, and then the label is going to ship it off to him. So it's going to calculate how much weight it's going to be, and then I'll also put in the dimensions of the bag. So once I do that, it's going to be maybe like 15 bucks for shipping, and then we'll take it to Canada Post, and then we're going to ship it off. And yeah, this two pair is part of like the new collection kind of that I made with this as well. So yeah, so we're giving him some fun new stuff. And we're going to show you how we ship stuff, so yeah. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're going to put in all the details. So I just use these two, but I'll just make this as like a double, kind of like I'll just put 1.5, so it's taken into account for both. So I'll put in this address. I'm going to cut this part out actually. Alright, so here is the details of what we're going to do here. We're going to add in the weight, so this was how much was it? So I'm going to add a 184. I'm going to switch this to grams. And then this was like 1.52, I think. Let's just make it 1.55.
Sure, okay.
I think it matters. We'll just do UPS. So
I think it's okay since it's in Canada.
Right. So my town doesn't have a lot of post offices here. We only have Canada Post here. But the good thing is that I have a UPS here, so I can drop off UPS, FedEx, Pure Later off at the Staples. So instead of going all the way like 20 minutes to a bigger town, I can actually go to Staples to ship it. So we can get that done. Let's just buy the shipping label here. So like you see, it puts in the total amount, so I'll put the two weights, so it's 1.7350. And then I can say just buy shipping label. Alright, mind the dirty setup here. I'm busy, so I gotta clean it up. But we are gonna set it on a thermal printer, and we're gonna let this thing print up here. That's gonna print the shipping label. So we're setting it over to CJ here, and it shows like the weight right there, and the size of the bag, and then print with the shipping label. So I'm gonna print that out right now. Print documents. 100 by 150 millimeters. Now we're going to print it here, and then it's going to be sent to UPS, so we're going to send this over to Staples. So it's that easy. Shopify is going to bill me in like a month or so. And how much was this? Like 12 bucks? So yeah, that's what it's going to do. We're going to do the two jeans and then the shirt. But before that, I'm just going to make sure the jeans are okay. And then we're going to go over to Staples and ship them. So yeah, Alright, so what we got going on here. This is all my orders that I've done so far. So we're going to explain how these orders work. I just did this order right here. You can see it was $11 for shipping, 1.73 kilos for the two jeans and the shirt. Now this is the price I put down. I chose $11 one. There was multiple choices, like a $12 one, 15, 20, you name it. There's multiple orders you can choose from. Now I chose this one. I chose this one just because it was most convenient. It's gonna ship within 1 to 5 business days. I took it to Staples, and I prefer going to Staples sometimes than Canada Post. I don't really like Canada Post that much, but I like going to both. If anything, it's just that I don't know. Canada Post is booked up all the time. Like their hours are really short, and they're on strike, so they're not very reliable all the time. Now, if you take a look here, I'm gonna go all the way to my settings. I'm gonna show you guys what really matters. It's the shipping and delivery. Now, I put all these on because these are the services that I can cover, but it depends on your area. I'm in Canada, of course. I have international, Canada, and US. Just Canada, US, that's going to be my main customers where they're coming from. Obviously, I'm going to have from UK, from Germany, different international places, which is this international area. And I put Canada Post as the operator right there. But actually, let me add it right now. I'll show you guys. So I only have Canada Post right now. Now, I'm going to use Purelator as the second. So yeah. So there we go. So that's how it looks like. So what this means is discounted rates, but these are the shipping zones that my customers can choose from. So these are the rates my customers can choose from, of course. Now what I could do, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I go through the site. If I go through Shakjac.shop, let's say I wanted to buy this jeans right here, and I add to cart, exit out. Now here we are. So this is the options that I have as the customer. You can see right here the duties are going to be paid, the shipping is going to be paid as well, and the subtotal. So this is how I have it set up right now. So we're going to offer that. But if you click on here, it's going to show the different options you can have. So this is not going to have any tracking, but these are going to have tracking. So obviously it just depends on what you want as the customer. So it's purely dependent on that. It doesn't matter what you buy or where you are. It's going to automatically pick up what's the best and cheapest way to get it to you. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to stop. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to pack the pieces and ship it over to my friend. But this is the other collection I have. We made this one, and we also made this one. And then we have 2 other pieces that I have. I'll show it on screen, but we are releasing a drop, almost like a mini drop. So I'm gonna have new products on my store, and we did like a whole photo shoot and everything. So maybe like in the future I'll show you guys how I did that. But for now, yeah, I just have it on the website. It should be out by now. I think I want to release it like this Friday, which is the 14th, I think. So yeah, we're gonna try and do that. 14th of November. It should be up already when this video is out. But we're putting the shirt in first here. Actually, I think I should put in the jeans first because these bags are pretty small, right? So I only think it can take 1 jean at a time, 1 pair of jeans at a time. So let's see. Maybe if I fold it more. Let's see. And then that's the one. That's the one package. We're gonna zip it up. Now we're going to make a second package. Fine. In the future I'm going to have some branded ones because it's going to be pretty aesthetic if I have my own brand on it. But for now, it's good to just start with it. Just the non-branded ones. There we go. So that's the 2 bags we got. This is the shirt and the 1 pair of jeans, and these are the new pair of jeans that are part of my collection technically. But yeah, we're gonna put it in the bag. So we have these big bags here. I think I also got these off Amazon, honestly. But they're called Vapulsio polymailers. They're 14.5 inches by 19 inches, so they can fit quite a bit in it. They're pretty big. So if we open this up, you can see there's that. And then we're going to put the shipping label on this side. We'll just put it right here. So now we have the order right here. And we're going to take it to Staples and we're going to ship it off. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so we parked at the Staples and I got the package. Hopefully they don't think it's a bomb. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stand here, we're gonna record some TikToks. I'm gonna wear the shirt and this pair of jeans that I made as well. And the pair of jeans I made as well, so we're gonna do that. And then that will be a part of the Instagram, but then also part of the product pictures as well. I guess so. Actually, we have to take product pictures too. And the way we do it, we're just gonna use this ring light. And then we're going to use it at the ground. So that's how we do the product pictures. And then I just I edit the background in Photoshop. So then I'll edit the background and then just put a blank background. So that's what we're gonna do. Should be like a minute really, and then we're gonna call it a day, and then I'll show you guys how the website's coming out, and then we're going to release our new drop. So yeah.